The COVID-19 situation in the country has indeed baffled the authorities, forcing them to adopt stringent measures to curb the spread of the pandemic. It seems like a deja vu to the starting point 1 year back when the pandemic struck the country and schools and other educational institutions had to be closed down and exams cancelled. The Central Board of Secondary Education has announced the cancellation of CBSE Class 10 Board Exam 2021 last week. The CBSE Class 12 Board Exam 2021 has been postponed as of now. Following the declaration by CBSE, the CISCE and various other state boards have followed the way shown by CBSE. The CBSE Board Exam 2021 Class 12 was scheduled to start from May 4, 2021 and continue till June 14, 2021. As per the announcement by CBSE, the Class 12 Board Exam 2021 has been postponed as of now. The revised dates for the Class 12 Board Exam 2021 will be decided after a thorough review of the COVID-19 situation in the country on June 1, 2021. Following the decision by CBSE, the CISCE and various other state boards have adopted similar measures for the Class 10, Class 12 board exams 2021. The decision regarding the CBSE Class 10 and Class 12 Board Exam 2021 was taken last week after a high-level meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister, Cabinet Secretary, School and Higher Education Secretaries and other top officials attended the meeting. The CBSE has a pan-India character unlike the state boards, and as a result of that, it is essential to hold exams simultaneously throughout the country. Due to the resurgence of COVID-19 cases in the country at present, several states have imposed strict measures, and so it is not possible to conduct the CBSE Class 10 and Class 12 exam 2021 all over the country at the same time. As for CBSE Class 10 Board Exam 2021, the results will be prepared on the basis of an objective criterion decided by the board.